Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Saturday the 8th of April, Kingswood today. 2 items, both from Sue Ryder charity shop. Woodcraft construction kit. I like these, I like the wooden kits, slot together. Biplane, serial number P002. This one's sold by Key Imports. I keep these in the back of the car so that when I'm waiting for Nanny when she's gone shopping or having her hair done, I can sit and put one together. Usually take about 20 minutes, half an hour maybe. So that will go in my stock in the car. The other thing, I think I've got a playlist on these because I've had a couple of them in the past. First one I bought was missing a few bits, so I had to make them with what I had. It was missing the pendulum, so I made a pendulum from plywood and a weight on it, and a few of the other bits were missing. I revisited it a few years later, and I had a 3D printer and 3D printed the bits that were missing. In the meantime, I bought another one that was complete, so I was able to take the measurements off it. And that was how I was able to 3D print the bits that were missing. Anyway, this one, pre-made, and missing the pendulum that hangs down the back. Everything else is there, just missing the pendulum. They only wanted a £1 for it, so I thought I'd buy it anyway and have a look through my 3D files and see if I could find the pendulum, which I did. In fact, I probably had the 3D printing going up in the top of the screen here so you could see what was going on. So it's 2 parts, so you can adjust the length of it to adjust the time. That should fit over there, and that should fit through there. And there we go. It probably wants to be a bit longer. A bit heavier then. Yeah, looks like I could have made that quite a bit thicker and heavier. That has slowed it down. Actually, looking at that, that should be on there. It's not fitting, so I've got to trim that a little bit. That's only where the print has spread a little bit on the bottom layer, so it's making it a tighter fit than it should be. That's better. It only runs for about 6 hours. I keep getting questions on the original video as to how long it runs for. But if you actually read the instructions, then it does say it runs for about 6 hours, so you can't use it as an ordinary clock. Well, you could, as long as you need to know the time for the next 6 hours. And to wind it up, that's it. You might notice I did slip a little bit of extra weight on there. But I could have printed that thicker to make it heavier. Yeah, that's it. Job done. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.